Hi guys! Today is March 19. I'm vlogging today kasi first time tong mangyayari sa buhay ko guys. I'm so loud because I'm alone in the house. So yung asawa ko and mom went to College Station for mom's appointment. For her primary doctor. Natagalan sila guys because hindi ko alam, may palab pa daw. So that's why I'm vlogging today because first time akong lalabas. First time akong lalabas without my husband. O, diba? I've been here in Texas for 9 months, guys. And I'm just trying to like share with you a little bit. Like, usually when I go out, kasama yung asawa ko, even sa mall, mag-grocery kami. Pinag-short ko. Mag-grocery kami or anywhere. Andyan palagi si husband. And then, may nakilala nga ako sa church na Pinay. She's from Luzon. Magkikita kami today. Well, actually, she's going to pick me up today. Pupuntahan niya ako. Kasi hindi nga ako marunong mag-drive, di ba? I don't know how to drive. So, she will be picking me up. And then, we are going to the mall. So, ang gagawin namin, guys, nag-short ako. I'm telling you. I'm wearing short. What we're gonna do is just like doing a window shopping. That's what women loves to do. And it's just me and her. And this is just so nice to film or to, you know, fit short. Kasi never in my life talaga na umalis ako ng bahay without my husband. So, first time in the history. And ito yung pinag-usapan namin ng asawa ko. Kasi parang nawalan ako ng confident here in the US na alis mag-isa. Natatakot akong, I'm afraid. I have fear of going out alone. Because I'm used to being with my husband all the time. So parang, even if getting inside some establishment, if I am alone, I feel like, parang weird, parang hindi ko kaya. Yung mga ganun na fear. But I told myself that I think I need to. I have to start trying to socialize with other people. Kasi hindi ko siya nagagawa, guys. Ever since talaga nandito ako, hindi ko siya nagagawa. And hindi kasalanan ng asawa ko, ha? By the way, hindi kasalanan ng husband. Na, kasi pinag-uusapan na namin to. Pinag-uusapan na namin ito ng asawa ko na nakaraan. Kasi, diba, I was filming before na nag-breakdown ako kasi na-miss ko yung Pinas. I think part of the reason bakit parang feel ko kasi na, ano ba tawag nito? I feel isolated kasi nang dumating ako dito, guys. Kasi parang hindi ko nagagawa yung mga nagagawa ko sa Pinas, hindi ako makalabas, or pwede naman ako lumabas. Pero natatakot ako alone. That's why every time talaga nag-post ako, well, I have TikTok account. And mga pinopost ko doon is all about Texas. Kasi gusto ko makamit ng mga Pinay. So, if you're from Texas, let me know in the comment section. Mas maganda kasi guys, pag merong gathering. Ang daming kasabihan. Ang daming nagsasabi daw, no, pag nasa US ka daw, pag yung mga matagal na daw sa US, like, mga iba na daw sila sabi ha, hindi ako yung nagsabi ka. Naririnig ko lang yan. But then I meet Ate Marilyn, and Ate Marilyn has been here for like a long time, and she's very kind. And she goes to Baptist church as well, where we go. And doon ko nga siya nakilala. So, I really wanted, like, yung meron bang mga Pinoy ba all together, community, yung mga ganun, yung gusto ko, guys. But then, hindi nga ako marunong mag-drive. So, if I go on a gathering na mga ganyan, pag-drive ako ng asawa ko. I was invited, by the way. May nag-invite na rin sa akin, pero hindi siya Pinay. She's English. She's American. Like, come and join us. Yung asawa ko, guys, sobrang hectic kasi ng schedule ng asawa ko. Hindi ako mahatid-hatid sa kung saan yung ano na yun. Kasi, guys, naawa ako sa asawa ko kasi yung mga schedule, especially like mga appointment ni ma'am. Si ma'am yung mas maraming appointment sa amin dito. Like, as in, sobrang tied up talaga ng asawa ko when it comes to time. Kasi siya lang mag-isa nag-drive. sa bahay na to. Is baka inakala nyo may tattoo ako sa aking hands. This one, I got these scars from the oven. Kasi nung nagluto ako ng, I think, dinner ni ma'am. O, diba? Hangahag man ang bayi. So, I was not being careful. So, na-touch siya sa, sa oven. Ay, di sunog. So, my husband bought me this. Hopefully, this will work. Kasi sabi niya sa akin, mag-work daw. Yun yung sabi sa advertisement. So, I'm using this Scarway silicone scar gel. Yan. So, pag ito nawala sa aking kamay, ay, hindi. Sure ball. Nagumagana siya. Andito kami sa Miss A. Ang gaganda ng mga binibenta nila dito, guys. Oh. Ang ganda dito, guys. $1 lang yung mga binibenta nila. Ito yung mga hinahanap ko sa Shein ba, pero mas mura dito compared sa Shein. Nandito pala kami sa Post Oak Mall. Ito yung magaganda kasi may spark pa. Tapos mura lang, agoy. Then this one para sa kids. Hala, this one is so cute. This one, oh. Sa mga abubot.
Yeah. 1 week after kami ikinasal, pinalis ko na yung wedding ring ko.
Maganda to. May spark. Ako naman, nagsusot ako pag umalis. Pero sa bahay. Kasi, ito maganda to, guys. Para pang summer ba? Pag pupunta ka beach. Meron akong ganito sa Pinas. One. Nice. Maganda to. Galing ko na to. I am back at home now. Galing sa mall. 3:19. So, hindi kami nagtagal masyado sa mall because Ate Marilyn has something, like has meeting. What's funny about going to the mall today, guys, there's something na nangyari. And I know, hangahag ang bayi, guys. Hangahag, no? So, nag-grab ako ng aking bag kanina and then I just realized yung wallet ko pala, wala pala siya sa loob ng bag. Diba? Very nice. And now, so, since nasa mall na kami, so, to the rescue si Ate Marilyn for me. Kasi may binili ako doon sa mall. Pagtingin ko sa bag ko, agay, ang wallet, wala mo na sa bag ko. It was so embarrassing. Like, that's the most embarrassing moment of my life. So, I told Ate Marilyn, and she told me, like, it's okay, Jenna, you can use my card. Binayaran ko siya. Binayaran ko siya pagdating sa bahay, ha? Like, when she took me back here, I paid her. Kasi, you know, nakakahibo. That's the embarrassing moment of my life. Anyway, yung binili ko lang naman doon, it's so nice kasi yung mall na yun, guys, meron silang mga cheap thing. So, nakabili ako ng cheap. So, I got something from Miss A. Dami nilang mga paabubot doon sa Miss A na tindahan, guys. So, bumili ako ng magkano lang naman itong binili ko, guys. Ate Marilyn gave this. Pumunta pala kaming Claire's. So, binili niya itong bracelet for Nicole. Tinanong niya ako kung ano yung gusto ni Nicole. And I'm like, Nicole, wala po siyang problema when it comes to things. And she likes anything you gave. So, I told her, like, you can just get her something bracelet. Like, ito yung kinuha namin sa Claire for Nicole. And sabi niya kasi, ibibigay niya kasi birthday ni Nicole na nakaraan, diba? So, she wanted to give Nicole something. So, yan. Ibigay natin, Marlene. Thank you so much. And then, this is what I got from Miss A. It's so nice. Tingnan nyo, guys. Yung mga ganito, $1 lang. Sabi ko, kasi nakalimutan ko yung card ko. Nahihiya ako. Hindi ako masyadong nag-enjoy pag punta kanina sa mall. That's because naiwan ko nga yung wallet ko, guys. Kasi kung dala ko lang yung wallet ko, ay nako, I would be like roaming more around. But anyway, ito lang naman, pang hair, yung binili ko sa Miss A. Kasi $1 lang siya. $1 only. Tingnan nyo to, $1. Ito, $1 din. This one too. Sobrang mura niya, guys. And then this one, clip. I can use this one for my hair. Yan, babalik talaga ako doon, guys. I'm telling you. Kasi next time, hindi ko nakakalimutan yung ating wallet. And then this one too, clip din siya. Look, nice, diba? Ayun, oh. Clips. And then this one. Partner to sa aking nabili sa Shein na dress. Kasi summertime. Yan o. O, diba? Sobrang nilang swak. There you go. Oh, oh. $1. Try na natin. Try natin sa ating dalunggan. Mabigat to. Pang ano lang to, guys. Pang badyaw. Oh my gosh. Ang bigat. Uy, cute siya. I like it. Okay. Kailangan namin i-pick up si Yashki sa school. Mga 20 minutes yung asawa ko nagnanap. He's napping right now. Guys, may ginawa pala ako sa labas ng yard natin. Like, gikot-kot na katungan. If you wanted to see it, I'm gonna show you what I am doing. Ang sakit ng tummy ko. Bakit masakit yung tummy? Ouch. Tutumba na siya. Sobrang mahangin talaga ngayon. My goodness. Why it's so very windy in Texas. Sobrang hangin. Like, not just today, but for the past week. Sobrang hangin sa Texas, guys. Sabi ng asawa ko, normal daw dito yan sa Texas pag ganitong month na mahangin. Anyway, ito yung ginawa ko. Uy, anong nangyari sa ating camera? Wait. So, ito yung plano ko talaga. Gusto ko kasi lagyan ito ng mga blocks here. Gusto ko yan lagyan ng blocks. Paikot siya, guys. And then this. And then, dyan ako lalagay ng mga plants and flower. So, kaninang umaga, this morning, I already took few ano tawag na ito, grasses. This one hindi namin siya itatapon because we're gonna take this to the duplex para itanim namin siya sa duplex kasi sayang, mahal yung grass na ganito, guys, here in the US. Mahal siya, I'm telling you. Yung grass nila dito, fortune. So I don't wanna throw it away. And sabi ng asawa ko na pinag-uusapan na namin yan na this one, yung kung ano yung gagawin ko sa yard pag magtatanggal ako ng grass, kailangan yung ganyan para madala namin sa duplex at itatanim namin siya doon, which is para magiging useful. Anyway, tingnan nyo yung ating yard. Tingnan nyo yung ating porch ng backyard. Malinis na this time, diba? Nung nakaraan ng daming boxes, tinapon na namin kahapon, guys, Tuesday. So, wala na yung mga boxes dyan na naiinis ako sa box talaga kasi sobrang dumitingnan pag maraming mga things. And right now, yun, yung mga gamit natin, ayun, hindi rin sobrang malinis kasi wala pa tayong like greenhouse or like stock house, something. Yung idea namin ng asawa ko, like, tumitingin-tingin kami sa Lowe's ng, ano bang tawag nun? Yung separate na, parang maliit na separation na merong roof and things, and doon mo ilalagay yung mga gamit, mga tools, pang garden, yung mga ganun. Yun yung gusto namin bilhin. But we're looking for something na hindi ganun kalaki kasi pag malaki naman wala na tayong yard. But yeah, like, I'm really hoping na magiging colorful yung ating yard, guys, and I'm starting to I'll start it here. Dito. This one. Ay, naku, naiinis ako. And then, di ba nung nakaraan, ano ako, guys, ng strawberry? Ito yon. And I don't know. I was like, I'm not really sure if this one will grow. Or I have no idea. Kasi parang patay siya. Patay ka ba? Tingnan nyo yan, sobrang brown niya. So, like I said before, hindi ko naman alam kung anong hitsura ng strawberry. Honestly, wala akong alam sa strawberry thing. So, nilagay ko lang tinanim ko lang siya dyan. And then, meron naman instruction. Ang sabi, ganito, ganyan. So, sinunod ko naman yung instruction, guys. Pero, Parang patay siya. I don't know. Sana mabuhay pa to. No, mabuhay ka naman. Kasi sayang yung $6. And then ito, meron ako mga nilagay dyan, pinupunla na mga dahon naman. Meron ako mga pinupunla dito na marigold. Hoping natutubo din siya guys. Kay itatanim ko nga yung marigold. Kasi yung marigold is it's good for attracting yung flower ng marigold guys. It attracts bees. Ito naman, naiinis ako kasi parang wala namang tumutubo. Lagi akong nakatingin. Like, tumitingin ako lagi. Asa na yung aking flower? Wala namang seedling. Walang tumutubo. Hindi ko alam. Parang nagsasayang lang ako ng pera. Pero pang 5 days pa naman. Impatient lang. 5 days pa naman simula nung tinanim ko. Pero, I don't know. We'll see. Paano mangyayari sa ating project na to. And this one, honestly, this one, I'm so shocked and surprised. Oops, ano ba nangyari? Ito guys, nagpunta kami ni husband sa duplex. This one, actually, ito yung tumubo siya. So, binigyan ako ng asawa ko ng bulaklak. Ang ginawa ko sa bulaklak guys, nung namatay na yung flower, tinanim ko yung kanyang branch or yung stem. Ayan, nabuhi. Nabuhay siya even with the cold season kasi last year ko pa yan tapos dinala ko siya dito para padamihin and then you see tumubo talaga siya. So I was like, oh, this is nice. Ano bang klaseng malaking flower din yan parang dahlia na flower, smaller version ng dahlia pero maganda to. White ata yung kulay. White ba? Nakalimutan ko na pero basta maganda yung flower na to. And this one, gusto kong bumili ulit ng isa pa. This one. Kasi yung plan ko, this one is yung shrub na sinabi ko, nakalimutan ko yung pangalan. But gusto ko kasi dito, magtatanim ako ng isa. This area here, gusto ko magtanim ng isa. And then one here as well. Para matrim and then magiging shrub talaga siya. Hopefully, yung project na to is magiging successful. Kasi guys, first time kong gagawin sa buong buhay ko. And, you know, nakaka-inspired kasi yung mga nakita ko sa video. Ikaw ang hugas ng Yash, di ba? Yash! Ikaw ang hugas? Luto tayo kasi alas 4 na 4:20. Magtatagal na.
It may surprise some of you, not cinematic. I can't go 2 minutes without stepping on a Hot Wheels.
Ay, bakit ayaw? Pistot mo ako ganan. Ay, ayaw na gumana. Lalagyan natin ng gas. Nilagyan ko na to siguro daghan dapat. Baho na ako kamot. Ayaw man. Bakit ayaw niya magsiga? Ayaw niya guys. Yun. Sos, ngayon gumana ka na. Ito yung lulutuin natin. So, mag-grill na naman tayo. And then, meron tayong chicken barbecue here. Lulutuin din natin siya. Lulutuan ko muna ng food yung mother-in-law ko. Which is, meron naman siyang food dito. Guys, ito. Shrimp. How do you like my, this one? You like it? I got this from Miss A. This is working, but hey, this is my first time to grill. First time ko siyang gagawin, guys, but I'm not really sure if I can make it. Yung asawa ko, nag-watch ng kanyang politic. And then he said, oh, okay, almost 400 degrees. Let's wait for a little. Wow. Sobrang hangin. My gosh, it's very windy in Texas for the past 2 weeks. 3 actually. Sobrang hangin at saka ang lamig ng hangin. Guys, may nagtatanong about sa charcoal pala. Ay, sa LB yun.
Ma, kamay kag battery.
Charcoal dito.
Kamay kag battery.
You don't need to like pay-pay. Hayaan mo lang siya. What did you say?
Kamay kag battery.
Gamay ang battery? Lubat na? It's
Kapit.
dead. It's dying? Almost 400 na ang atong
Pila lang.
Almost na siya. Outfit check! Outfit check! White and black. Gusto mo na nasayaw? What kind of dance is that? Wait lang, hoy. Magpa-video pag ikon. Ha? Ano sa'yo yung song ni mo? What song? What song?
Star.
What else?
Mag-play pa gani ko. So, basta pa kong twinkle. Twinkle star.
Okay. Twinkle. Si Daddy kay ayaw na niyang tumulong mag-grill. Hayaan na daw ako. Ako na daw bahala. Gising. Si Kali. Nayabag. Kali, roll over. Roll over. Roll over. Hindi ako sure. Pag maluto to guys, very good. Pag hindi to maluto ay good luck. Masawa ko sabihin, bakit ka nagluluto? See?
Yummy.
Yummy. Sobrang mahangin. Yummy. Dapat ba butangan yung oil? I don't know. Ano siya oil? Kailangan na butangan yung oil. Grabe ang hangin. Oh.
Done?
Wala pa. Tapos si Daddy, ang ginagawa ni Daddy is ganito. Ay, isa ramin siya. Ano ni Daddy? Parang chef ba? Hindi ako marunong. Ganyan ba yun? Hayaan na siya dyan. Ay, ilagay natin ito para ko. Di magsayang ating. Wow! Kunyari, chef ako for today kahit hindi ako marunong. Tama ba yung pinagagawa ko guys? I'm not sure. Hindi mo dito sila. Nga, nag-ibutang man yung mga hilaw pa ka na. I'm not sure. Ilagay na natin ito lahat. Pag di maluto ay wala tayong magagawa. Uy! Wow! Ano ba yan? Ipa-slow-slow mo pa.
Okay, stop.
Wait. Okay, flip ko na. Yay! Dapat ba niya pa i-flip? Hindi ko alam. Yung asawa ko yung magaling nito eh. Ako, tingin lang ako. Hanggang tingin lang ako.
Kali.
Kunyari siya. Picture it ako. Aray.
2 minutes na.
2 minutes na. Tapos lihukan kay kang mag-video.
Ako man silang gipakita.
Kaya nga makaga-drone.
2 minutes na.
Drone ka? Kinain mo yung niluto ko. Here's the earlier na nag-grill natin, guys. Meron ka chicken barbecue. Hindi ako makapag-film kasi ingay itong isa. Tingnan nyo, nanonood na naman. What are you doing? Rearranging? Charot ka ayo. She had so much books. That's really good. That's good to know. You don't have to let me ask you over and over again to clean your room. Big girl na gid siya.
Ganahan ko maglimpyo pero di ko gusto i-force.
She wants to clean up but she doesn't want to be forced. Char.
Makamit nun.
Okay. Well, is this mine? You don't like this? Okay. Where is Ashley? I like your mirror. Ito yung binigay ni mom. Tapos na-bash pa si Nicole dito kay di daw nag-thank you. Wala ako nag-thank you, ti? Loaf bread.
Bed.
No, you're not a baby.
Ha? Di man to. Ato to.
Ganda ng mirror. Basher, ganda ng mirror.
Canopy.
What do you want to say to the basher?
Canopy bed.
What do you want to say to the basher?
Isa.
Sa ingon mo sa basher. Goodbye.
Bye. Black na ka.
Nice. Oy, ganan ko si mo mirror. I like this. Napatoy dako ingon ani sa Hobby Lobby. Agoy. Parang gusto ko to. Gusto daw niya loaf bed. Parang bata naman to. Hindi naman like high yung ating ceiling. Anong gusto mo? Pakog ka sa ceiling fan.
Dili lang magtaas.
Anong dili taas?
Dili lang magtaas.
Wala kayo assignment? You have no assignment? Another day. So, kakabalik lang namin from Lowe's today, guys. And look what I've got in here. So, putol-putol yung vlog natin recently because I couldn't be able to just like keep going the video. But anyway, guys, I just wanted to show this thing here that we've got from Lowe's and I'm just so grateful. Yung asawa ko talaga sobrang thankful kasi like he just let me grab yung mga gusto kong kunin when it comes to flower. And here in the US they have this season of planting. So right now it's spring season here in the USA, so everybody are just going out and get flowers in the store kasi nagtatanim ng flower after winter season. So tapos na yung winter season in the US. So now since it's spring, so it's a really good weather, good season for planting vegetables, plants, flowers. That's why ang dami po talagang tao sa store, sa my garden area, nag-grab ng mga flower. And I'm amazed. Usually, nakikita ako doon sa garden. May mga nakikita ako sa garden, sa store, guys, na sa Pinas, parang nakikita lang natin sa forest. And I'm really amazed kay gibaligya nila here. So, it's like, wow. Wow, gibenta nila dito. Free lang yan sa atin sa Pinas kasi dami yan sa forest. But anyway, wala tayong magagawa kasi nasa US tayo. So, I've got this mini rose here from Walmart. This one is pink color. This one is orange. And this one is yellow. Meron ako nakitang red. But then, sabi ko, tatlo muna. Ginagmay na akong palit, guys. But I got 3 different color of many roses. So, what I plan is, ang plano na ko, it's like, I wanted to, like, I said this many times, I think, the past video, that I wanted to make the backyard colorful. So, gusto ko talaga may kulay yung aming yard, which is, right now, wala talaga siyang kakulay-kulay because it's a plain grass lang. And since itong probinsya ng Pinay nandito sa US at Texas, guys, and I used to like plant because I live in the farm. In the farm, we had so much, not just flower, but vegetables. And I really miss doing those things na, alam niyo yun, like in the morning, you just wake up in the morning and then mag-shovel ka lang all the time, big hole, because you wanted to plant something. And I wanted to have that moment as well, even if I'm here. So, thankful ako sa asawa kasi he like supported this kind of thing that I do likes to do. Anyway, meron tayo ito yung sinasabi ko sa inyo, guys, sa Pinas, 'di ba? Ito, ang dami nito sa Pinas. All you have to do is just kung mamatay ni siya or like when it gets old, you just like get this petals and then spread mo lang yan sa gilid-gilid at tutubo na, and then you'll have this. But dito binibili siya, guys, and this one it's like $7 per pot. And I only got 2. Kumuha lang ako ng 2. Just 2. For now. Kasi ang gusto ko, etong 2, when it grows and it gets old, ito lang din yung gagamitin ko to spread all through the backyard. And I know, ito kasi guys, kahit namamatay siya, palagi siyang merong flower and then you can replant lang all the time. So I said to myself, grab lang ako ng 2 and that's it. And then I have here, this one is like shrub. Kasi mahal siya guys. Kumuha lang ako ng isa. This one will grow. So, here in the USA, they use this one to provide privacy. It's like they call this one like privacy fence. So, it's like it helps to have privacy sa yard mo. So, I got this one because I was like thinking of getting 2. But this one is $11. So, sabi ko, isa lang muna. Kaartihan. Isa lang muna. Just one. So I got this one and I wanted to put this here in the backyard as well. Kasi meron kaming kahoy here. Meron kaming isang puno ng kahoy na hindi pa siya tubong-tubo. So I wanted something else to match or to, ano bang tawag na to? Like parang, ay, may term yan eh. Like it's, compliment? No, not compliment. May term, but nawala na sa isip ko. But anyway, looks like this. Meron kami dito sa bahay, sa bukid. Guys, ang nagkalat to sa bukid eh. Nagkalat talaga to sa bukid. And here, they're selling it for like $11. Mahal siya. So in peso, it's like 700. But like I said, wala tayong choice. Ito din, bumili kami nito. Kasi as of now, wala pa akong greenhouse. So ito, I need this one to use for like if I have to repot my plants. Para dito natin maglagay yung mga soil and hindi siya nagkalat sa labas and our soil will be secured. Ito, so hindi kalat. And then my husband got me this too. Sprinkler watering can. Para hindi kami like kasi kung yung gagamitin ko guys is yung hose ay good luck sa water bill. So I am just like, sige, get natin to para ganito na lang ako mag-water ba at the same time nakaka-save kami ng tubig. At the same time, na-exercise ko rin yung aking arm. And then we got this gloves. Kailangan ko ng gloves. Kasi nung nag-re-repat ako nung nakaraan, ay akong tamot tugaw kayo. This one is like 3 sets. So, 3 ito. And if the girls wanted to plant with me, you can use this garden gloves too. So, ang gusto kong gamitin is, 1, 2, actually, I thought it's 3. It's 6. So, it's 5. Akala ko 3 lang. 5 pala to guys. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Ooh. Well, that's nice. Akala ko 3 lang. So, ito. May ginawa ako nung yesterday, hindi ko na video. This one, this has like, I'm trying to like generate yung seeds. Meron akong flower seeds na tinanim dito kahapon and hopefully it will grow. And this, it says like mga 2 weeks daw. So, hayaan natin siya guys. Diyan. And then, meron akong niripat kahapon. If you guys, like, I think I filmed before yung plants na to. This one, this one is a peace lily I got from Lowe's. And it's so beautiful. I think in the Philippines, we call this white dove. But here, they have different name. This is peace lily. So, sabi ko nga, diba, ang dami natin ganito sa Pinas and it's free kasi nagkalat ito guys, but here we have to pay. Anyway, this is really beautiful and this one is easy to propagate. So, mga binibili ko guys yung mga easy to propagate kasi para mag-multiply yung ating plants and flower and we don't have to buy again and again and again. This one, when it grows, hindi ko alam, tatanggalin ko ba yung maliliit para i-lipat natin. But right now, lagay muna natin siya para maka-breathe siya kasi yung kaniyang mga roots ay nagkumpulan sa nakaraan na. Yung old na pot nito ay nagkumpulan yung roots, but right now I'm sure this plant is breathing very well. So I'm glad we got this from Sam's, this pot, and I think I'm planning of buying more kasi I think we need more. So ito din pala yung seeds. Ito na yung kahapon. This one, these are the seedlings or the strawberry seedlings that I planted yesterday, guys. Hindi ko lang na finish yon kahapon, but yeah, this is strawberry. I'm like a little bit confused nga kasi I was like, is that how it looks like? Kasi hindi ko naman na try mag-plant ng strawberry ever since.